Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you the Mellif air compressor, and it's compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries. The B series from Makita will fit on this product. Battery and charger are not included, and in this video I'm going to use the Mellif battery, the 4 amp hour, and you can buy them as a set, a charger plus a battery, for only 49 euros. And in the description you will find a link to this product with a reduction code for 20% off. You can use this air compressor for car tires, bicycle tires, barrow tires, everything. And I'm gonna start with this barrow tire, and after that I will fill up my car tire. See what's in the box. It's not in plastic, just like this in the box. And there's a manual and this small nozzle. So this battery is fully charged. As you can see, those are very nice batteries, 4 amp hour. Batteries and charger are not included, you have to buy them separately. It has this simple display and you can choose your setting here: PSI, BAR, kPa. I'm going for BAR. I'm gonna select 2. And we just quickly connect it and see how quick we can fill up this tire. 2, yeah, and it's measuring 0 pressure now. And it automatically stops when it reached the 2 BAR. Now the machine is feeling cold, just cold. Only the hose is feeling warm. That's because of the air pressure. You can see here there is another spare nozzle. I think the other one will fit here. So let's fill up the car tire. Let's connect it. And immediately you can see the pressure is way too low. I always have it on 220. Let's start it. And there we go. automatically switches off. Do the same thing on the other side. First I'm going to check the pressure, of course. Let me show you. That's very low. Oh, wow. And it's still on 220. $220. And I almost forgot, it didn't use that much of the battery. And of course I'm measuring the pressure with another tool, and that's exactly the same for the car tire. So yes, it's definitely a nice tool. And the price of this one is $29.99 with a 20% reduction discount code. And that's also for the battery and the charger. The battery and the charger are not included. You can buy them separately. And you also get a 20% discount on all products you order with that code. Battery and charger will cost you $49.99. And of course the tool is compatible with the Makita B series batteries. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.